Hello everyone, I'm Suresh KP from myinvestmentideas.com. LIC has launched a new pension plan which is Jeevan Akshay VII, where one can get an annuity income every year. So they've launched this in the last week of August. Let's quickly have a review of this pension plan. LIC Jeevan Akshay VII is an immediate annuity plan, means where you can get pension income immediately after you buy this plan. The minimum purchase price of this annuity plan is 1 lakh, and there is no maximum price limit. So you can invest whatever amount you want to invest on the maximum side. The age of entry is you should be in between 30 years to 85 years to consider taking this plan. The annuity is either payable every month, quarterly, half yearly, or yearly. One can consider this pension plan for either single life or on a joint life cover, means you and your spouse can also enroll for this pension plan. Jeevan Akshay comes with some 10 different immediate annuity options. We are going to discuss that in the next slide. One can surrender this pension plan, but after 3 months. But if you have opted for option F and J, if you have opted for other options, then there is no way you can surrender this plan. Let's go into the key different annuity options. There are 10 different annuity options. Some of them from 1 to 7, you can take that for on your own life. If you want to go with a joint life with your spouse, then you can opt for HIJ. Now the annuity is nothing but a fixed amount is paid to you every month or quarterly or half yearly or yearly. Now there are certain annuity options where you can get a guaranteed pension income, like if you see option B, C, D, E, where you will get from 5 years to 20 years, irrespective whether the annuitant uh, is alive or not. Means if uh, the pension holder dies, then the spouse or the nominee, who is indicated as a nominee, is going to get that guaranteed income for the guaranteed period. Now let's check at some of the benefits in this Jeevan Akshay plan. One, the survival and death benefit. Whatever we have seen in the previous slide about option A to J, the 10 options. If one can choose, then the person is going to get the pension income for the entire life, or based on the option whatever is chosen. Second benefit, there's no maturity benefit for this one. It's not like a money back plan or an endowment plan where there is a maturity benefit. This is a simple pension plan where one is going to get pension income, and based on the option chosen, the nominee or a spouse is going to get the pension income, and afterwards nothing. Third is your surrender benefit. If you have opted for option F and J, then one can surrender the pension plan after 3 months. If you have opted for any other option, then there is no way we can surrender this Jeevan Akshay VII pension plan. Let us check out some of the negative points. One, generally we know LIC is a trusted brand. However, generally this kind of pension plan comes with very low returns. If you see, generally any LIC insurance plan comes with say 4% to 5.5 to 6% returns. So if you are okay with that kind of returns, then one can choose this LIC pension plans. Number two, this pension plan can be applied offline or online. If you go with a offline option, then you're not going to get the 2% rebate, which is a discount on your purchase price. So this is another point if you're going to go with a offline mode. Now let's check whether should you buy this LIC Jeevan Akshay 7 plan. You should know a few things, right? Number one, if you think like, okay, LIC is a trusted brand and you're okay with the low returns, then there's no choice. You can just go ahead and consider this pension plan. Number two, if you have a superannuation NPS tier 1 account where you need to take the pension scheme mandatorily, then if you think that LIC is a trusted brand, then there's no choice. You can go ahead and take this pension scheme. Third, you would have accumulated all your money through the retirement money through either EPF, PPF, or through various sources like your mutual funds, and then you're looking for considering a pension plan, then you can park some of your money in this pension scheme. Balance you can invest in other retirement options like senior citizen savings scheme, Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana scheme, debt mutual funds, balanced mutual funds. But just understand that the risks in these mutual funds. The other point what you need to check is if you are in young or if you are young or in middle age, right? You don't need to worry about getting a regular income because you already have a regular flow of income either through salary or a business, and you want to invest money. In such case, no. My suggestion would be just avoid these immediate annuity pension plans. Just go ahead and invest in either direct stocks or mutual funds. There are some mutual funds which are either moderate to low investors like your balanced mutual funds or debt mutual funds. But there is a risk element in both mutual funds as well as the direct stocks. One can consider those risks and then they can invest in that. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at suresh@myinvestmentideas.com, or you can visit myinvestmentideas.com for other tips. Thank you.